Hello there and welcome to Business Break. I'm Maureen Akers and with me today, very special guest, Ted Morgan with Ted Morgan Law. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me today, Maureen.
Well, we're here to talk about something that's kind of pretty important that some people have had to deal with it, not everybody, and that would be a DUI. So not everybody has to, but for when they do, what's going through your clients' minds when they've just had this happen to them?
You know, without a doubt, Maureen, most folks call, they've got some major concerns about losing their driver's license, which is a very valid concern, and also jail time, and then of course, you know, fines, penalties, what am I in for? So it can be a very emotional time for sure right after being arrested.
Well, why is it so important to act quickly after this happens to you?
Georgia has some laws that you don't necessarily find in every other state. Georgia, you have an administrative case and you have a criminal case. The administrative case takes off very quickly, and there is in fact a 10-day deadline, we call it, that doesn't apply in every DUI, but most every DUI. And if you miss that deadline, you can lose some really important opportunities to improve your situation.
Oh, wow. So act quickly. What are my options if I do find myself, you know, getting a DUI?
Well, you know, obviously you can hire a lawyer or not hire a lawyer. I'm a little biased, but I know we help people. I know, you know, no one wants drunk drivers on the road, and that's not what we're all about. But people have legal rights in every situation, including DUI, and we do our best to improve, you know, should you have been arrested, should you be convicted, and try to help you, if we can't do anything else, to minimize the penalties and get you through both the administrative and the criminal phase, and hopefully minimize things for you.
Right, make that a little easier. And now you're easy to get in touch with.
Right.
Tell everybody how they would get in touch with you.
Well, you can obviously call our office. We're right here in Columbus, Georgia, 836 2nd Avenue. I've been in Columbus practicing law for 20 plus years. Our website is tedmorganlaw.com, and between those two, you can't miss us.
That's right. So does it make sense to try to fight a DUI, Ted?
Absolutely. You know, there's one thing's for sure, the prosecutors that are waiting on you when you show up in court without a lawyer, they're not there to help you. That's not their job, and they shouldn't. And there's no question that there are good things that we can do for folks when they're arrested for DUI. And sometimes, you know, being arrested does not mean you're guilty.
Right, and that's very important to do. So for that and other considerations, they can definitely get in touch with you. And I believe the information has been up on the screen while we're talking. Thank you so much, Ted. And I look forward to seeing you on the next Business Break.